Hey guys, it's Katie from Cerebrium Studio, and today I'm going to be showing you how you can transform any video into a square video. This might be essential if you initially filmed a video with a particular social media platform in mind that doesn't support a square shaped aspect ratio, such as YouTube or Twitch, which supports a horizontal aspect ratio, or even TikTok, which uses a full vertical aspect ratio. But now you need to transform your video into a square shaped video so that it can be uploaded to a social media platform which supports a square shaped video, such as Twitter or LinkedIn. Cerebrium Studio's video editor allows you to transform any video into multiple different aspect ratios, so you can upload this video to any different social media platform that you require. Let's see how you can easily do this using cerebrium.com. You can open up your browser and search Cerebrium and go to cerebrium.com. Then you log into your account. You can get a 2-week free trial with Cerebrium, so don't worry about this at all, as you can test out the software first. You then upload the video that you would like to transform into a square video. Select all of the video that you'd like to edit using the purple box cropper tool shown here. The interesting and unique thing about this video editor is that you can use it to create multiple aspect ratios for your social media channels, so you can upload one video in any aspect ratio and the software will create multiple different aspect ratios, all of which are appropriate for any social media channel, whether that's YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Twitch, Facebook, Twitter or so on, and none of the quality or content of the video will be lost. Content creators can save a lot of time and repurpose their content across multiple social media platforms without spending any extra time editing. As you can see here, by using the purple cropper tool, you can transform the aspect ratio and size of your video. To transform a video to a square video, you can select one of the social media icons on the bottom row here to make the sizing appropriate for whichever social media platform it is that you need it for. If you click on the Twitter icon, for example, these are the dimensions required for this platform, and you can select how you would like the video to be transformed and exactly the square sizing that is required for what you need. Once you've transformed the size of your video, simply click on Make at the top right hand corner once you're happy, and then you'll be taken to the video editing page where you can make any additional edits to your video that you so wish. Once you're happy with any changes, click on the preview button on the upper right hand corner, and you're then taken to this page where you can download as many versions of your video as you need, be emailed directly to the email associated with your Cerebrium account. Our rendering engine sets the technical specifications for your target platform automatically so that you don't need to do it for yourself. You can simply download them in a click. As I mentioned previously, Cerebrium does offer a 2-week free trial, so please do go ahead, utilise the free trial. Let us know what you think about our software. If you have any questions whatsoever, feel free to ask, and I hope this video was helpful for you guys. I will see you in the next one.